Sydney, the Harbour City Tour. Welcome to Sydney, the dazzling Harbour City, often called the Emerald City or simply Harbour City. Known for its iconic skyline, vibrant culture, and stunning beaches, Sydney is a must-visit destination for travelers worldwide. Today, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to make the most of your Sydney adventure. Getting there. Sydney is accessible via Kingsford Smith International Airport, one of the busiest airports in Australia. It connects to major cities worldwide, making it easy to reach. From the airport, you can take a taxi or a rideshare, or even the airport-linked train to the city center. Top attractions and hidden gems. Start your journey at the Sydney Opera House and admire the unique design by Danish architect Jørgen Utzon, which resembles a series of white sails or shells. Attend world-class performances in opera, theatre, ballet, or contemporary music. The venue hosts events by the Sydney Symphony Orchestra, Opera Australia, and the Australian Ballet, among others. If you are a fanatic, join behind-the-scenes tours and opt for a backstage tour to see rehearsal spaces, dressing rooms, and areas usually off-limits to the public. While there, learn about its UNESCO World Heritage status and its role as a symbol of modern Australia. Enjoy dining at Ben Long, a fine dining restaurant located within the Opera House. Visit Opera Bar for stunning views of Sydney Harbour Bridge and the waterfront. Speaking of Harbour Bridge, take a ferry to Manly Beach for stunning coastal views. It is affectionately known as the coat hanger due to its distinctive shape. Climb to the top and join the Bridge Climb Sydney experience to scale the arch and enjoy panoramic views of Sydney Harbour, the Opera House, and the city skyline. It's an unforgettable adventure available at different times of the day, including sunrise and twilight climbs. UCA also visit the Pylon Lookout Museum located in one of the bridge's towers. Or explore Darling Harbour, located in the heart of Sydney. It is a vibrant waterfront destination packed with attractions, activities, and dining options. While there, visit the attractions like the Sea Life Sydney Aquarium. Explore diverse marine life, including sharks, rays, and penguins in immersive underwater exhibits. Encounter Australian animals like koalas, kangaroos, and crocodiles at the Wildlife Sydney Zoo. Make time for Australian National Maritime Museum and discover maritime history, including historic ships and exhibitions on naval warfare and exploration. Pose with lifelike wax figures of celebrities, historical figures, and superheroes at the Madame Tussauds Sydney. Relax in the Chinese Garden of Friendship and escape the city's hustle in this serene garden featuring traditional Chinese architecture, waterfalls, and koi ponds. For family-friendly activities, visit Darling Quarter Playground, a massive play area with climbing structures, water features, and activities for kids of all ages. IMAX Theatre. Watch movies at the IMAX Theatre, one of the world's largest screens. Don't forget Wendy's Secret Garden in Lavender Bay, a tranquil escape with lush greenery. Explore Cockatoo Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with fascinating history and great picnic spots. Or head to Paddington Reservoir Gardens, a hidden oasis blending historical ruins with modern design. Top 3 beaches. 1. Bondi Beach, famous for its surf culture, vibrant promenade, and the stunning Bondi to Coogee coastal walk. 2. Manly Beach, a family-friendly spot ideal for swimming, surfing, and relaxed dining. 3. Palm Beach, known for its golden sands and is the filming location for Home and Away. Local and exotic foods. Sydney offers a diverse culinary scene. Try local favorites like meat pies, fish and chips, and lamingtons. For a unique experience, taste Balmain bugs or kangaroo steak, available at fine dining restaurants like Key or casual spots like the Grounds of Alexandria. For fresh seafood, visit the Sydney Fish Market, the largest of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere. Don't miss out on multicultural food hubs like Chinatown or Newtown, offering everything from dumplings to vegan delights. Shopping. Shop at the Queen Victoria Building, QVB, for high-end fashion. Or Pitt Street Mall for popular brands. For unique souvenirs, explore the Rocks Markets or Paddington Markets on weekends. Outdoor and indoor activities. Outdoor enthusiasts can hike the Blue Mountains, kayak in Sydney Harbour, or climb the Sydney Harbour Bridge for breathtaking views. Take harbour cruises and enjoy views of the Harbour Bridge from below by taking a ferry or cruise that passes under it. It's a great way to appreciate the bridge's scale and design. For indoor activities, explore the Art Gallery of New South Wales, Australian Museum, or catch a show at the Opera House. Nightlife. Sydney's nightlife is diverse, with rooftop bars like Opera Bar. Visit nightclubs in King's Cross and live music venues in Newtown. Darling Harbour also comes alive at night with its restaurants and light shows. Getting around. Sydney's public transport includes trains, buses, ferries, and the light rail. An Opal card makes it easy to navigate the city. For short trips, walking or cycling is ideal, especially around Circular Quay and Darling Harbour. Cultural and experience tours. Take an Aboriginal cultural tour to learn about the city's Indigenous heritage. Join a wine tasting tour in the Hunter Valley. Or explore Sydney's convict history on a guided tour of the Rocks. Festivals and traditions. Sydney hosts vibrant festivals like Vivid Sydney in May to June, featuring stunning light displays. Be there at New Year's Eve for its world-class fireworks. Don't miss Mardi Gras in February, a colorful celebration of LGBTQ+ pride. Where to stay? For budget-friendly stays, consider hostels like Wake Up Sydney or boutique hotels in Surrey Hills. For luxury, opt for Park Hyatt Sydney, offering harbour views. Or the Langham Sydney, known for its elegance. Budget for a 5-day stay. Expect to spend, in Australian dollars, $1,500 to $2,500 for a mid-range trip, covering accommodation, meals, transport, and activities. For budget travelers, in Australian dollars about $1,000. While luxury seekers might spend in Australian dollars upwards of $5,000. Best months to visit. Visit between September and November or March and May for pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Safety and tips. Sydney is generally safe, but stay alert in crowded areas. Wear sunscreen, as can be high. Avoid swimming at unpatrolled beaches and respect local customs, such as obeying smoking restrictions. Sydney is a city that blends natural beauty, cultural richness, and modern sophistication. Whether you're exploring its iconic landmarks, indulging in its culinary delights, or soaking up the sun on its beaches, Sydney promises an unforgettable experience. Subscribe to Night's Food and Travel for more travel tips and inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on your favorite Sydney spots below.